Hello everyone and welcome to another Giulio Cooks video. On today's video we're making crème brûlée, which is another French recipe. This French recipe is easy and fun to make and the outcome is super delicious. With that said, let's get all the ingredients and start making crème brûlée. To make this recipe we need 2 cups of heavy cream, 2/3 cup of vanilla sugar, and 6 egg yolks. In a medium-sized saucepan, mix together the heavy cream and the sugar. Since I'm using vanilla sugar, I am going to add the vanilla bean from the sugar itself into the cream. If you are using regular sugar, please add the vanilla bean right now. Put the pot on medium heat and take it off right when it starts simmering. Do not let the mixture boil. While the heavy cream is warming up, make sure to check my Instagram page, Giulio Cooks, where I post other recipes and restaurant reviews. After you take it off the heat, let it cool down in the same pot for about 15 minutes. This way, the heavy cream will absorb all the vanilla flavor. After 15 minutes have passed, it's time to strain it. Put the heavy cream aside and let's prepare the egg yolks. In a glass bowl, separate 6 egg yolks and combine them together. While mixing the egg yolks, pour in the heavy cream mixture slowly. Do not pour all of it right away because the heat is going to cook the egg yolks and ruin the recipe. Once you're done mixing, get your ramekins and pour the mixture there. I completely made a huge mess, so you'll probably do a much better job at pouring in the mixture than I did. Put your ramekins in a baking pan and then add some hot water. We should make sure to cover the ramekins about halfway through their height. Preheat the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake the crème brûlées for about 25 to 40 minutes, depending on how thick your ramekins are. When they're done, they should be golden in color and very jiggly. As you can see, I'm using some primitive tools to get the ramekins out of the casserole. We are going to let them cool down in room temperature for about an hour and then put them in the fridge for at least 4 hours. And here is the part that everyone has been waiting for. Using a small spoon, add some sugar on the surface of the crème brûlée. Using a torch, melt the sugar gently without burning it. Even if you burn the sugar, don't worry because it will still taste pretty good. Once the sugar is all caramelized, put it back in the fridge for another hour. The next video cut will speak for itself. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe below and I'll see you on the next video.